Hello guys, I am a student from Computer Science Department in Amrita College. This video is especially made for Amrita students in Coimbatore campus, that too in Computer Science Department. Now I would be covering each and every course in SEM 3, telling you guys what you need to do and to get pass mark or to ace the paper. Also, I will be telling you that what will happen in this particular subject and so on. So guys, now we will be looking at the course Advanced Programming. So in this course, you will learn two subjects, that is C++ and Python. So now for this programming language, we would be using a website created by Amrita students called HPodge. I hope your teachers would have said this to you. So during examination, you will be taken to the computer science lab, and there you have to log in your HPodge account and write the exam. Now you can ask me, is there a way to copy in HPOS during examination? Yes, it was possible during my initial days of third semester, but now it is a very big no. You can't copy in examination. As you can see, my teachers have increased the security system in the HPOS. But there are some small loopholes which I will be taught in HPOS, which I will be talking later in another video. So since in this course you will study two subjects, you guys need to do an assignment in the end, like comparing about C++ and Python. Here I will give you a sample assignment question which I where teachers gave to us. I will be sending those questions to you, and also in this video description I will give you the link of HPOD website as well as the best website to study C++ and Python, which is nothing but W3 schools and Java T Point.